What's going on, guys? Steve and Joel from Venture Off-Road X, and today we are out and about, out in the woods, trying some new gear that was just sent to us, and they told me to put it through the mix and abuse it and use it. So that's what we're gonna do. So obviously, out here getting naturally stuck, a little hard.
Yeah, not the easiest with our rigs.
But we happened to actually get it stuck. So
yes, we did.
It's stuck. So we're gonna have some fun with it. So guys, stick around. I'm gonna show you what we got, what came in the mail, and go from there. So stick around, guys. Let's see what we got.
I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Welcome back, guys. So what was sent in the mail is these guys at Adventure X Outdoors sent us this recovery gear set, and they told me to put it to the test. They told me to basically be truthful with it and see what we can do. So that's why Joel and I are out here today, put this thing through the ringer, see what it's about. Joel's already stuck with his, and then we're gonna switch. I'm gonna get mine stuck because I weigh a lot more, and see what we do. So this is what comes in the kit, guys. So first off, this bag is, I mean, it's a pretty stout bag. I mean, it's nice and heavy duty. Guys, grips on the bottom. So lots of pockets everywhere to, you know, kind of put whatever you want in there. The zipper is a nice zipper. Then inside you get two of these 1/2-inch shackles. Now the shackles load weight on the work limit is 24,250. And the max braking strength is 48,500. So I don't think I'll be breaking these, but they seem pretty stout. I like that it has this nice little cover over it. I also like the color. You know, it's high vis, so if it, you know, falls on the ground or something, you're able to, you know, find it easily. And then along with that is this here. Now, this one is a kinetic rope. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with what kind of kinetic ropes are, we're going to show you. It's not meant to pull with. It's meant to basically jump off the gate, just go, and it'll bungee it. And it takes all that momentum and just pulls whatever you're pulling. So it's a pretty cool system. It's been out for a minute, but there's so many on the market, and it's hard to, like, you know, say which one's good, which one's not. But this one is 30 feet in length. It's 1 inch. It has a working strength of 15,419 pounds, and it has a max brake strength of 30,837 pounds. So again, it's pretty good. Same thing, it has these nice sheaths on it, or it has a nice little Velcro strap to strap it all back in place. So I'll tell you guys, on first appearance, looks pretty good. It's heavy duty. Like I said, the orange is a high vis orange, so you can see it clearly. And I'm kind of ready to get with this and see what it does, man. Pretty excited about it. They sent it to us, so I'll be 100% with you. Like I said, they sent it to us. I didn't pay anything for it, but they told me to be honest with it, so that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to tell you if it's worth the buy or not. So stick around, guys. We're going to get this thing hooked up, show you how to hook up your shackles, your soft shackles, if you've never done that before, and we're going to get it all hooked up and ready to show you what it can do. So stick around. All right, guys, like we said, it's hard to get these things stuck, especially out here, but we definitely managed to really get this thing
I think we got her stuck.
buried. So just to show you, this thing is buried and it will not come out
Yeah.
on its own power. I mean, it's sitting on the axle. So he even put it in full drive and it started digging the front. So this should be a fun one. Like I said, it is stuck. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's
All
say
right.
pull it out of that deep hole. About to find out.
So let's get this thing set up.
That's it.
All right, guys, so you have two choices here. If this will fit, because I usually don't run D-rings, I usually keep them in there. But we took one off of Joel's over there and just put it in here so it's nice and just an easy application. You can use the D-rings, there's nothing wrong with it. So this won't fit through my holes there, so you have to use a D-ring with this. But easy, easy, easy. So if you've never used one of these before, all you do is you literally open the hole up and you're gonna stick this part through the hole, okay? And then it's locked. So when you're putting this back together, you want one on each side here, one on this side, one on this side. So that way it pulls this like this, so it locks it in. So I like using these because you have less moving parts that are gonna come off and shoot against you.
Yeah. Not to mention having this sleeve around it, you
Yeah.
know, just for friction and longevity of really just the cord. And if you're, maybe you don't have a D-ring and you are using just one of the open faces, like might be sharper corners, so this would definitely help with keeping the rope nice for sure.
So we're just gonna feed it through the D-ring and then we're gonna wrap this on out. Again, all you're gonna do is take it here, put it through, open the hole up, there you go.
Nice.
Just like that. So Joe's gonna go ahead and put his on over here and should be just about ready. Now, with the kinetic ropes, you're not going to want to start off from here and just start hauling. Really, it's about 6 feet, 6 to 10, I would give, of slack. That way you have a nice, good running start to jerk out. So, should be good. How's that feel?
I think we're good, eh?
Yeah?
I don't think she's gonna go anywhere.
There we go. Well, guys, we're gonna get in, get it about that 6 to 10 feet of slack in it, and then go from there. This is a 30-foot rope, so keep that in mind.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. So what we're doing is we got all in, and I'm basically going to pull the rope to about that 6 to 10 feet range, and then we're gonna gun it and pull them out. So sit back and check it out.
Wow. That was too easy.
And just like that, guys, that's how simple using the kinetic rope is. All right, guys, so like you saw, that was pretty easy.
I'm really surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah, that beats getting jarred and trying to basically, you know, when you get bumped out. I wasn't expecting it at all. And as deep as that hole was, it bounced me up and I almost hit my head on the roof. Like, but other than that, it was just, you felt a little bit of like the tension gaining, and it was like a spring.
Yeah.
And then boink.
That kinetic
Came right out.
is no joke.
No, that's not.
But
That was too cool.
That was pretty quick. There's always times and places to use a kinetic rope. Sometimes it's not always the best choice. You know, there's always the winching technique, or you can use your max tracks, or you know, any of those will still do a damn good job. But things like this, when you're stuck like this and you have the room, it's so much easier just to pull that out, slap it together, and pull you out. So bear with us, guys. We're gonna get switched up. I'm gonna bury mine, and we're gonna try it again. All right, guys, so we got the Warhawk stuck, and it's stuck pretty good in there.
Yeah.
The other side is completely on its axle. So
Just like the beer cat, that side is insanely buried.
so now here comes the fun part. We're going to take Joel's JK and pull the old Warhawk out, because I'm pushing about 7,400 pounds right now.
What am I?
Wow.
Maybe.
Yeah. Well,
4,500?
actually, no, I take that back. 7,400 fully loaded. I don't have any of my camp stuff, and I don't have the water tank filled. I'm probably at 60, I don't know, 69.
3 tons?
So, but it's still pretty damn heavy.
Yeah.
A lot heavier than Joel's JK
I
right
would
now.
say quite a bit heavier. Most of the parts of mine are aluminum besides the back bumper and the sides.
Yeah.
Who
So,
knows?
but we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get everything hooked up and get us pulled out. Yeah. Came with the kit.
You just put the little knuckle through the little guy there?
That's it.
Like, how much gas did you give it, bro?
Not much.
No, you just kind of.
I gave it that 6 to 10, and then
Just like that, and it won't come
just
out?
gone.
Just like that. It's not going to yank it. Yeah, it won't yank it through, huh?
Look at that.
Yeah, the trick is to have
You
the
just
knot on the
figured-
side.
Oh, okay, I see now. So it kind of just grabs that knot.
Yeah, there's nowhere for it to go. All right, so I'm gonna get it all the way and then I'll back up.
Yep.
6 to 10. Get the rope tight, back it up 6 to 10 feet. All right. It's tight. Put it in four-wheel drive. Got it.
All right, guys. So just like you saw, pretty easy.
It was for being. I could feel it was heavy.
Yeah.
As it got tight and I started pulling, the whole Jeep kind of shifted because the
Yeah.
shackle on one side.
Yeah.
I felt it and I was like, oh no, but I felt you just boing.
It just
Pop up.
just right up, just
was
like you said.
easy.
It was like
Yeah, it was easy. No creaks, no hard bangs, no nothing.
no, nice and soft,
Yeah.
nice, easy.
Yeah,
I mean,
it really is.
so, man, I'll say it's gonna be a winner. I think it's gonna be a winner.
I
I
like
mean,
it.
obviously, I'm gonna keep testing this as we go out and people get stuck. You know, we rescue people every once in a while. We rescue each other.
Yeah, that's
You
for
know.
sure.
But like I said, I mean, we're just gonna put it to the test as much as we can.
Well, first impressions, I'm pretty excited about it. That's for sure. With the 2 shackles and the rope and the nice bag that comes with it, that's pretty. I I think everybody with a Jeep that goes off-road probably should have at least one of those. Something similar.
Yeah.
Right there in their Jeep, because that was too easy. You know, finding the winch remote, pulling the winch out, putting it back in.
I think I'm right with you.
Yep.
You know, I've used Yankum ropes and Bubba ropes, and I've used other brands, and I'll tell you, man, I can't tell the difference.
Nope.
You know, other than the cost.
Yeah.
And I mean, right now, this is a great system. It's right before the holidays, so if you have an off-roader or somebody in the family that likes to go off-roading, I mean, this could be used for not just Jeeps. I mean, it could be used for any off-road vehicle, ATVs, side-by-sides.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's heavy duty, but it'll still anybody that you know that's a off-road enthusiast. This would be a damn good present.
Yeah.
So as of right now, get on there. I'm going to use the link below and check it out. Great company. They're actually based out of Florida.
Are they?
Yes.
Huh.
Yeah. It's a new company. So it's Adventure X Outdoors, not Adventure Off-Road X. I thought that was pretty cool too. So I was like, man, this is right up our alley, man. Yep. But check them out, guys. And we're going to be an affiliate here soon, so I'm going to try to get a discount code. But right now, just use that link that I'll supply below, and we'll go from there. But let's take a closer look and see, you know, see if there's any damage to it or
look at the
anything
ropes,
else.
the integrity of it for
So,
sure.
come on with me and let's check it out.
Yeah, let's check those out.
All right, guys, so let's take a closer look. So as of the shackles, I mean, no real damage. They look good. Now these covers here, they took a little bit, but I mean, honestly, that's going to happen. You know, I mean, no matter what you have on there, because this is what's taking the friction. So we got a tear here. You got a tear on that one too.
Yep. Yeah, just a little bit of wear, but I mean, I'll take that all day over,
Yeah.
you know, the actual, you know, ruining the integrity of this rope.
But this looks good.
It does. A little flat where you can see where the pressure has been on it. There's a lot of weight on there.
Same thing with this one, guys. So got a little bit here, but like I said, I mean, that's to be expected. I mean, you're using them.
Yeah.
If everything stayed brand new, I mean, that'd be amazing, but I just don't think it's going to be like that. So
You might be wasting your money.
yeah. Rope looks really good.
That's the thing I do like about these ropes is they almost look like it's that hard material, but they're very soft.
Yeah.
Like, very soft.
So guys, that's I think that's done, man.
Yeah.
I think we did a good
Test
job
one,
here. Good test.
I got a thumbs up.
I mean,
Thumbs up
let's
for me, for
go
sure.
check these holes out over here, because there's no joke. It's a hole.
Yeah, well, it goes deeper than you.
I mean, it's
About knee deep.
it's a hole. So, but like I said, this was obviously we we're gonna get stuck. We just did this to get stuck, to show how this thing works, and it worked out really well. So guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and as always, appreciate all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so I only have 3 weeks left.
Hey,
So guys, help a brother out,
let's go.
and let's go. But until next time, guys, enjoy your adventure.